Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is actually all set to inaugurate the magnificent Jagannath Dham in Digha on Wednesday, coinciding with the Hindu auspicious occasion of Akshaya Tritiya. The newly constructed temple is a stunning replica of the renowned Puri Jagannath temple, and it's poised to become a significant pilgrimage and tourism hub in the region. It's actually said to be one of the largest temples in West Bengal. This is being seen though as Mamata Banerjee's Joy Jagannath pitch against the Jai Shri Ram echoes. In fact, principal opposition BJP has announced that the reconstruction and restoration of Hindu temples damaged in the Murshidabad riots on the 30th of April on the same day as well. In fact, the temple project faced opposition from the BJP, which not only questioned the state funding, but also alleged that the plan was for a cultural centre and not a temple. Listen in to the political reactions we've lined up for you.
It is a dream project of our Honourable Chief Minister, and this has become a history, in fact, because the architectural beauty, it's attracting everyone. We are flabbergasted to see how it has been done, and the area covers a long piece of land which is double than what is there in Puri. So here, our Honourable Chief Minister, she always wants to be beside the people. So while being beside the people, while fulfilling her dream, she also knows that this is the way how to actually implement the things she wants to do.
जाली हिंदू ममता, नकली हिंदू। सरकारी रुपया में कहा मंदिर नहीं बनता। इट्स ए कल्चरल सेंटर, नॉट टेम्पल। डोंट मिसलीड वेस्ट बंगाल पीपल। ममता हिंदू विरोधी है। ममता के लिए मुर्शिदाबाद का हिंदू पलायन कर रहा है, जो 1947, 1971 में हुआ था।
My colleague Shreyashi has been tracking all the finer details for us. She joins us live from Digha at the moment. Shreyashi, as we're given to understand, the Chief Minister had personally identified the location for the temple and announced its inception back in 2019. Now it's finally ready for the grand opening. The BJP meanwhile questioning the state funding and calling Mamata Banerjee anti-Hindu.
Well, perhaps the timing is such that the inauguration happens to be taking place just a year ahead of elections here in West Bengal. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee will kickstart the two-day ceremony here at Digha. Last-minute preparations are on as we are bringing you this report from Digha, where the Jagannath Mandir has been constructed. In 2019, the foundation stone was laid over this 22-acre land along the coastline of West Bengal. And now it is ready for the inauguration. The Mahayagya is already started, and the Chief Minister will be attending it shortly in the afternoon, along with dignitaries and state administration of West Bengal. Now this holds exceptional significance because as we heard the opposition leader Shubhendu Adhikari speak regarding this, calling it a cultural centre. Now it has been made by the HIDCO, which is a government body, and the BJP is saying that under the constitutional norms a state government cannot build any place of worship, and that's why they're saying that this is a cultural centre but not a temple. But of course the pitch is that it is a Jagannath temple, and this is an exact replica of the Puri's Holy Trinity temple there, which is absolutely a sacred place of worship for the Hindus. And specifically in Puri, only Hindus are allowed to enter that temple, and no other religion is allowed to offer prayers there. But over here, it is going to be open for the public of not just West Bengal but adjoining areas. The state government is pitching this as a world tourism spot now. They're going to be attracting more tourists here. Preparations are on. People have started pouring in. Dignitaries will be coming in shortly, and all the traditional puja, the home, all of that will be taking place, and it will be overseen by none other than Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, as her minister Chandrama Bhattacharya, while speaking to NDTV, said it's a dream project of the Chief Minister. And of course, with the BJP's support increasing here in the state of West Bengal, we've seen the kind of Ram Navami rallies here, the Jai Shri Ram chants here, the BJP, of course, hitting out at the state government and the Trinamool Congress, saying that this is just a cultural center and not a temple. But of course, keeping aside the political war of words, it is a momentous occasion here in West Bengal, where the people of the state are watching closely Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's pitch for this Jagannath temple. Back to you.